Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing the last portion of the story, the Swiss family Robinson. So we already discussed the life of there during the period of winter, summer, and many other periods. They started cultivation. They settled many homes there. And here, in this beginning, the ending portion of the story, it's beginning after 10 years. 10 years passed, and the young boys were now young men, and their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. Yes, their parents, they were became very old, and the boys and the children, they were become very young. Many adventures means many changes were occurred on that island. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down albatross. Albatross means a type of bird that we are using in the ancient time to send messages, like we are using pigeon in India. Same way they were used this. That's type of a bird, which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied on the large bird's leg. A rag means a message that to send a messages, that is called a rag here, or maybe with made up of cloth, or maybe made up of papers. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. So they got a message, and in that message the message says that an English woman, she was also trapped on an island. She is trapped on an island. How the Swiss family trapped the same way, she is also trapped on that one of the island there. But they don't know what is mean by smoking rock, and Fritz had no idea how old the message was, और they have no idea, उन लोगों को पता नहीं कितना पुराना है ये जो message. Fritz, his father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano, since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity. Or their father suggested that maybe smoking rock means volcanoes, but vicinity means the place we can see with our naked eyes. But during that surrounded, there was no volcanoes, active volcanoes were there. The maid may have come from 100 miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed help. Maybe that is their prediction. Maybe the bird may came from almost 100 miles away, and they says that if anyone is stuck down islands, we have to help them. Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note to the rag, retied the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. So before they are leaving to home from the seashore or seaside, he tied his own message on that bird, and he sent that bird again, and he watched that the birds fly off means flying away the bird. The note told whoever received it, do not despair, help is near. और वो जो मैसेज में लिखा था कि no need to worry, help is near with you. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. Rescued means to save. So Fritz saved, the elder boy saved a English woman whose name was Jenny Montrose. And first she was very shy to join with the family. Later she started to adjust. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor. An encampment had been set up on one of the smaller island. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his family decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. One day what happened, a ship came there, and they started to reached on a small island near they living. So the Swiss family, they decided to go and meet them, and they wanted to return to their home. They did not want the crew to think that they were savages. Savages means wild animals. So they think that they do not explore that they were wild animals. So what happened? The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told them their own story as well as Jenny's. So the next day they went to meet the captain of the ship, and they explained their story. And as well as Jenny. Jenny means that Jennifer, the girl, the woman they rescued. To everyone's surprise, it had Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. And unfortunately, or fortunately, the captain of the ship was actually Jenny's father. So that was a surprise for everyone. Actually, he came to rescue his girl, his child, and after 3 years, he still believed that his girl was still alive. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers, and the crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland, everyone amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. So, all the passengers and the travelers came to the New Switzerland, which means New Switzerland means the place, the island they were living. All of them came there and meet the island. How they survived, their cultivation, their prosperity, everything they have seen. As the day ended, the father realized that the decision must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. So the captain said to take a decision who is staying on the island, on who wanted to leave. The Elizabeth and her husband, the Swiss family, they wanted to stay on the island itself because they have been living almost 10 to 15 years on that island. They believe that they are home. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. So Jenny and Fritz, they were decided to go to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay back, and as the second child, he wanted to stay on the island itself. Jack also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. So the younger and elder, both the child are moving to Europe. Franz wanted chance to receive academic education. So for the Franz, he's actually going to Europe for better education. Before Fritz left, he told her parents his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. And Fritz actually fell in love with Jenny and he wanted to marry her. The father had kept a record of all adventures they had had on the island. He had handed over the journals to the captain and published then the ship departed. So the father, he has all the adventures they did on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain, and when they reached Europe, they published these records to the people. That's all the story. The upcoming lesson we can learn the next story.